earlier this Lucky Chauhan.
Investigation or any boycott or any other check-up on all this, the vehicle should be arranged by the police. That should be मैडम को मैडम से
थोड़ा दूर दूर था
देखो सोशल डिस्टेंस अपने हम मेंटेन करते थे प्लीज
प्लीज
আমি কথা বলছি এন্টারলি এইভাবে সবটাই ভার্সনটা
কথা বুঝতে পারছেন তো না?
হ্যাঁ
কতক্ষণ এসে আপনি আসেন যে
15-20 মিনিট
Today I visited the victim family. Recently it was incident took place under Telemra PS at Chakmagat area. It's a minor girl, teenage girl. It is very unfortunate incident that minor girl was gang rape, which was reported, but still it is under investigation going on. So far, I have heard that 3 culprit was arrested. They are under investigation. More 2 are on the run. Actually, it is very sad incident which our government always cannot tolerate. We try to give justice to her. Today myself I visited with my family and my party workers. I have seen the victim and he's very sad. He's under treatment, is going on, and from our government side we are going to help her, and from a party level we are going to give pressure to the authority to give a justice, proper justice to the minor girl. It is very unfortunate again, and as you know, now is the situation is very worse. The lockdown is going on, and COVID-19 is also going on in our Tripura. In this situation, it is not expected to be happen like that. But still, we are trying our best to give a justice to the innocent teenage girl. And it is, we have strictly given order from the government side to take necessary action. And whoever involved in this incident should not be excused. It is not a question of party, question of religion, question of any tribe belonging. Therefore, I myself as a Minister of Tribal Welfare earnestly request to the police authority to take the action immediately so that the justice can be provided to the innocent girl. And I was also told that it's a minor girl under 18 age. Therefore, this is the right time to show the example. So example punishment should be given to the culprit. And I appeal to the society, to the government and to the people of this around to maintain calm and peace, so that in future this incident should not take place again. This is my appeal to the people of this area. It is under Panbari area, under Mangya Kami PS, under Mangya Kami RD block, and under Telemara subdivision, Khwai district. Therefore, I appeal to the people of this area to maintain peace and tranquility. Both communities, both tribal and non-tribal, are living together here. And I appeal all the people, all the political parties, all the religious groups, all the communities to keep peace in this situation. Because we know this is not question of any tribe and any communities. The culprit is culprit. There are bad people or good people belong to any communities. Therefore, first of all, we want justice. Justice should be provided to any communities, any people. And I really thanks the authority, especially police department, especially the SDPU Telemora, have taken a strong action. And he has informed me already 3 persons was arrested, is on the trial. And I think the real justice will be delivered. Thank you. PS Nandaro, Sinkanaka ro Salasali Sikango, Chini Kroksa Buri, Sikla, Adam Charai, Bo Berin Tamporo Bono, Koijam Borogro, Bono Rompreka, Moreb Klaka Sinkanaka. Davis Sinkanaka ro Dinano Sakatini SDPU, Telemarani, Bo Katamna Romka. Takboro custody tongo take ni kharjak sing obor nai je justice manangthung omai chini innocent borok chini parani borok kunu sia angkhana ka bo class 9 prai tongo bo belai charai kho boni boyos 17 bosor sini khnawo obo belai kho nama sungsa aboni bagai sing koinai jate bo chini ocharai chini jotono chini takho bukhuk chini sajik jate bhoishoto mohai samrote tangthung ang koinai jottono oro chini Tiprajwk sing jottono saimano oro sing jottono tongo Tipra tongo wancha tongo jotto community tongo Muslim tongo jotto community no sing boroma sanai je khamya sing mono sasti mare nai sing sigo jotto community gono toma Tiprasa toma wancha toma Muslim ka ham jottono tongo hamya tongo kintu hamya no sing manai nai chung bono sasti mare nai moni bagai ang obono sanam sugo hese Minister of Tribal Affairs and Forest ngai ang obono sanai je chung justice nayo chung justice mare nai taibo bobishoto jate mai tangthung taibo ang koinai o elakago jottono chung oro shanti bodai manare nai peace and tranquility manare nai jate chung bobishoto oro kuno omai incident ongya jat जों मनो माने नै एबां कोइनाय जों अर तिनि पारानि बरक रक जों साइमन जतो तिन तिप्रा सारक गोबां पाराव तंगो निनि कामिगो तंगो जों एसे कनसियास करै जों फाइनो बनो जों कनसियास मा खाइनाय जाते तिनि आगामी दिन नगो अमाय तांथुं जतन तिनि बुमा फानि दायित्व तंग नांनाय शुधु बुमा फा तिनिया तिनि समाज बहायनो दायित्व तंग नांनाय जे समाज बरो बहायनो जाते तिनि जायनो जों गाहामखे मनो मा खाइनाय kaham ma bujognai jate saijung kuni khlaiei omhai bazarago hathiro ta thangthung abong sing boro ma koinai ge omnang tini samusugo जों खोनाखा थामब्रम जखा बरना प्रपार जस्टिस नांथुं ते आं कोइने तिनि पुलिस अथॉरिटी जत बर एक्टिव साउंड तांथुं ते कुनै खारजाहिं खानागो बर बरम नांथुं ge जों जत्तनो ताबुक जों तिनि विक्टिम तिनि साजगनो जों मासुबलायनाय जे मानसाक ताबुक बो belai wana jak botau belai beramui tongo boni saistorok bo rugang tongo sumon jatte bithorok hamko charagui je bonang mani sumon support ma khainai bono जों masu banai ang koine jottono elakani borok jotin taku bukurok jottono agu khaibedi odorago jottono bono जों masu banai